The Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima, GCON, the National Chairman of our great party, the largest party in Africa, Ganduje, Your Excellencies, distinguished governors here present today, leaders of our great party, members of the National Working Committee, traditional rulers, indigenous and residents of Owerri North local government and its environment. You recall that a few weeks ago, precisely 3 months ago, I came here to flag up this road to road safety, and I assured you that before the next election that this road will be commissioned. Today we are fulfilling that promise. And the second one going to Oji and Dozaba will be commissioned in 2 weeks' time. It is promised. It is my humble pleasure to invite His Excellency the Vice President of the country to officially commission this road for use by our people and as a great service to humanity. Mr. Vice President, sir. Thank you. It's my singular honor and privilege to cherish forever to commission beautiful road by the dynamic governor of Imo State, Governor of the new Hub Commissioner of Toronto